This is my math homework number 5, Thursday. On the first one it says find the quotient is 2,145 being divided by 15. 15 cannot go into 2. 15 can go into 21 once because 15 times 1 is 15. When we subtract that, we will have 6 left. We bring down the next digit, which is a 4. 15 can go into 64 4 times because I know like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes because 15 times 4 is 60. When I subtract that, I'll get 4 left. I'll bring down the 5, and I know that 15 can go in 45 3 times because once again it goes 15, 30, 45. So my quotient is 143. For number 2, it says find the difference, which is an answer to a subtraction problem. Here is 50 and 4 hundredths minus 1 and 103 thousandths. I can add a 0 there. Don't forget to do that, because if you don't do that, some kids will just put a 3 down here, and that's going to be incorrect. You need to put the 0 here, and then you have to borrow. This makes it 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 3 minus 0 is 3. I have to borrow from the 4. This becomes a 10. Borrow from 10. This becomes a 9. Then that guy becomes a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Our decimal goes straight down. 9 minus 1 is 8. And the 4 is by himself. So our difference is 48 and 937 thousandths. Moving along, the word problem says Jose and Donald are having a bubblegum stretching contest to see who can stretch the bubble gum the farthest. Jose stretches his gum for 10.5 inches. And Donald stretches his gum for 10.50 inches. Okay, who stretched their gum the farthest? Well, obviously, if we add a 0, they're equal. So no one. They did it for the equal amount of inches. So they're equal. Moving along. Here's the first one. Let's do some inequalities. 6.5. 6.50, obviously. We add a 0 here, and it'll make it equal to each other. Next one is 30 and 50 hundredths. Another side is 3 and 50 hundredths. 30 is greater than 3, so that one's greater. Last one is 723 and 22 thousandths. Compare that to 723 and 202 thousandths. Well, they both have 723. This one is 22. That's 202. 202 is greater. The next one, it says, what is the value of the underlined digit? 5,678.321. This obviously is in the hundredths place, so this will be worth 2 hundredths, or 0.02. Next one, answer the following using the number line. You don't really need to use the number lines. Go ahead and just compare. Here is 7 tenths. Here is 14 tenths. Obviously, 14 tenths is greater, and it also has a 1 in the front, right? That's what makes it 14 tenths, because it's 1 whole and then 4 tenths shaded in. The next one is 2.2. Compare that to 1.8. Once again, 22 tenths is greater than 18 tenths. Last one's 3.9. Compare that to 2.2. And of course, 3.9 is greater.